If you use After Effects, there are probably a few tricks you wish you knew sooner. In this video, I'm showing you 10 quick and practical After Effects tips that can make your workflow faster and your animations better. Number 1. Want to make great-looking 3D text easily? Just duplicate your title and extrude the bottom layer. Then, change the color of the bottom layer to a different color. Number 2. Start by adding any layer to the timeline. Search for Wiggle Position in Effects and Presets and apply it to the layer. Then, in Effect Controls, adjust the wiggle speed and wiggle amount. Make sure to uncheck Use Composition. Increase the shutter angle manually to add motion blur, and you've got a quick shake effect. Number 3. To create accurate shapes, go to View and click Show Grid. You can then use the grid as a guide to create precise shapes with the pen tool. Number 4. You can easily add texture to your scene with the Texturize effect. Apply it to an adjustment layer, set the effect to your texture, and you're done. Number 5. You can convert almost any logo or graphic into a stroke by using Auto Trace. Then apply the Stroke effect and set it to Transparent. Number 6. When working with strokes, a great feature to explore is Taper. Adjust the start length and use the easing controls to smooth out those hard edges. Number 7. When scaling After Effects layers, such as pre-compositions, make sure to enable Continuously Rasterize. This allows you to scale layers without losing quality. Number 8. When working with text, create a mask and go to Path options. Set the path to the mask you created, and your text can now animate along the path using First Margin. Number 9. If you don't want an effect to be applied to a specific area of a layer, create a mask and assign it in the effect's compositing options. Number 10. When you need to adjust the duration of an entire set of keyframes, hold Alt on your keyboard and drag to retime them all at once. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick After Effects tricks. See you in the next one!